We just finished listening to the story Grandfather Counts. And in the story, Grandfather comes from China to stay with his daughter and her family. Helen, the granddaughter, has to move out of her room for Gong Gong, which is the Chinese name for grandfather. Helen watches the trains from the wall, and Grandfather watches from the window of the house. Grandfather joins Helen to watch the trains, and they teach each other words for numbers. In the end, Grandfather teaches Helen to write her Chinese name. Now we're going to think about these two characters, Grandfather and Helen, and how they felt at the beginning of the story, and then how they felt at the end of the story. So Grandfather, in the beginning of the story, felt sad. And tired. So he felt sad that the children didn't know how to speak Chinese. He was tired from his long train trip. At the end, Grandfather felt happier. So we can write, he felt happy. And why did he feel happy? He was able to learn some words. So he learned words from Helen, which helped him be able to communicate with her. And he was happy being with his family. So it shows how in the beginning he was sad and tired, but as he got rested and got to know Helen and the family and started to speak some English words and started to teach the children some Chinese words, he was able to communicate and make connections with them, which made him feel happy. Now I want you to think about Helen. How did she feel in the beginning of the story? And how did her character change? How did her feelings change in the end of the story?